This model kit review is of the F-117. This is the stealth fighter, also known as the Nighthawk. This is a 1/48 scale model by Revell, and here we can see a picture of the finished model, and another picture there, and we have some of the dimensions there. Let's have a look inside. So interesting on this one is that the clear glass is actually tinted yellow. Here's our plastic coming off. So this looks like this is the underside of the model. Let's open this up and have a look. There's a fair amount of surface detail here. These weapons bays are closed. You could cut them open with, I guess, some difficulty due to the shape. Look at these other sprues here. So here are our wings, and they're fairly well molded. Landing gear, some decent detail here. Here's our instrument panel. Air intakes, ejection seat, also nicely molded. We do have a pilot figure, some wheels, and our flaperons. Here's our nose wheel. That's the nose wheel bay. Here is our cockpit with a fair amount of detail in there. We have a ladder and some other body parts. This one's coming off. Here are the other wheel wells. Fair amount of detail there. And here is the top of the fuselage. Fair amount of surface detail showing off here. And the additional parts that come off. Here are our decals, lots of details, nice ones on these decals here. Here are the colors needed. We start off with the cockpit. It's built inside the fuselage. And the wings are put together with a wheel well and air intake, exhausts. Wings are put together. And flaperons. Wings are then put on the fuselage. Landing gear are put on. And the wheel covers. Then the tails are put on. Pilots put in. And the canopy then goes along on top of that. And you can have the boarding ladder if you want to. Here's a painting a decal guide. And there's the two options. So all in all, actually a decent model with a good amount of detail.